Do this if you want to make your first $10,000 as a student. No luck, no trends, just a simple, proven game plan that actually works. 1. Choose the right vehicle. Most people try to get rich quickly, trading, dropshipping, or viral side hustles, but these are often high risk and low control. Pick a simple, service-based online business. It could be editing short-form videos, running ads for small businesses, building websites, or writing newsletters. This kind of business gives you free cash flow, real money, so you can reinvest or save without needing a huge audience. 2. Set realistic expectations. It took me 3 years to make 10K in a month. Today it could happen faster, but only if you're consistent and patient. Don't expect overnight results. Think in years, not months. Aim for your first $500, then $1,000. Small wins compound. Most people quit during the red zone phase. Don't be one of them. 3. Build your financial identity. Once you hit 10K, it becomes your new normal. You think differently. You manage money better. You plan long term. Don't blow it. Reinvest, save, and build habits that keep you moving forward. That's the game.